What's up, investors and also the Money Talk family? Welcome to yet another video on NIO, and today we're going to be talking about the upcoming date and the upcoming week for NIO and why I believe this is going to be absolutely massive for the company, and I expect massive growth in the upcoming week. But guys, before we get started, if you're watching this video on anything other than the YouTube app, there's going to be a button up there that says open an app, go to app. I want you guys to press on that. It will take you directly to the YouTube app on your device. It will take you out of this weird template, whether you're in Google Chrome or Safari browser, and it'll make the video a whole lot more pleasing to your eyes. So now that you've done that, let's get this video on NIO and the upcoming super day started. But guys, before we get to the nitty gritty and the specific date for this upcoming massive, I'm talking massive catalyst, guys, I need to tell you guys something, and that is the fact that we have now extended the discounted version of the Money Talk Trade Alert program. For those that don't know what the Money Talk Trade Alert program entails, these are basically my trades throughout the month, and I send the alert to you before I even execute my alerts. I send the alert to you, so you get it, and then you can maybe check and then do your alert, okay, or execute the order. Now, on these trade alerts, guys, there is a 10% profits guaranteed. It's important to understand 10% is not what I'm aiming for, guys, and I'm not over here penny flipping, okay? I'm not here going, oh, 2% here, 1% here, adds up to 10. No, I'm not doing that, okay? And I'm aiming for upwards of 15 to 30% per position. Now, why 15 to 30% and not 200% or 300%? That's because, guys, I want to hit base runs, okay? Base runs, and I'm not really looking for them big home runs. Now, if the big home runs, I see a big home run opportunity, of course I'm going to take it, okay? But however, I like to play things somewhat safe, right? And just aim for 15 to 30% profit margins on each position. So with that being said, guys, check that out. The link is in the comments. It is the pinned comment. Now, the $20 version, which is the discounted version, guys. Oh, let me fix my green screen. The $20 version, which is the discounted version, guys, only has 25 spots, and spots have been flying off the shelf. So try your luck with that version, guys. If you can't access that, then check out the $30 tier. That one is still open and available to everybody, okay? But the $20 version is kind of for people that got here early and they get the discounted version. The program also comes with an exclusive discount, exclusive Discord community, and you also get one-on-one access with me, and you can directly message me through the app, right, on anything and everything you want. Maybe you have some news regarding NIO, maybe you have some news you want to tell me to cover on this channel, maybe you have some stock suggestions for me to cover on this channel, and etc. So make sure you guys check that out. Now, guys, let's get talking about this huge catalyst. And what does this mean for NIO, and where is NIO headed? Well, the massive catalyst that I'm talking about, guys, you guys might have already heard of it in many other YouTubers' videos. This is NIO Day. NIO Day. Yes, I did not make that up. It is literally called NIO Day, okay? And this is an annual event. And this year it's held on December 18th, okay? December 18th. Now, what do I expect leading up to the NIO Day? I expect a whole lot of green and a whole lot of anticipation, okay? Now, right now, we are not necessarily seeing that, and that is not NIO's fault, okay? Well, some of it is NIO's fault, but most of it is not NIO's fault, okay? So for the first half of the week, it was NIO's fault. It's true. Or last week rather, it was NIO's fault. This was because of the Chinese FUD coming out, right, with China banning Didi, which is basically their version of Uber, and them delisting Didi from the New York Stock Exchange. So what did this do, guys? This spread a whole lot of fear across other Chinese stocks, causing NIO to fall down from the maybe $35 level, $40 level, all the way back down to the $35 level, okay? So that's what happened. It dropped down to 30, 35-ish, and we're like, oh my God, buy the dip. And then the second half of the week, the whole market had a dip, okay? The whole S&P had a dip because there were scares of interest rates going up, okay? So we got another dip, and now leaving NIO down 23% in just the previous month, okay? And I mean, look, guys, these are amazing dip buying opportunities, okay? And I forgot which firm it was, whether it was JP Morgan's or another big bank. Basically, they came out with their projections for the year 2022, explaining what stocks they're going to be investing in, etc. And they mentioned overseas stocks such as Chinese stocks such as NIO a lot, okay? And they said that they don't expect NIO to be delisted and they don't fear NIO being delisted. Now, personally, I fear NIO being delisted, okay? And that's why I've decided to take a smaller position now in NIO. And that's because, guys, not because I don't trust NIO, but that's because I don't trust the Chinese government, okay? There's a big differentiation over there, okay? And I know a lot of people think I'm bashing NIO when I say that, but the truth is, guys, the Chinese government is very, very unexpected, okay? And anything can happen in any moment, anytime they want it to happen, okay? That's how a communist country works. There's no paperwork. There's no, oh, give him a heads up. Give him like a 2-month heads up or something. No. If they want to delist it, it's gone, okay? It's gone. So that's one of my fears regarding NIO. But yet, however, I may be dropping a trade alert this week, maybe tomorrow, regarding NIO at these levels, considering that NIO Day is coming up, okay? So what the hell is NIO Day and why is there so much NIO Day hype? What is there so? Well, NIO Day is where NIO basically announces their biggest key products and their biggest announcements, okay? Last year they had a lot of announcements regarding their battery, their new technology through their battery, and how it is just absolutely game changing. They also announced their new vehicle last year that they plan on releasing. So there was a lot of hype, right? Now, personally, I don't really like to hold after NIO Day, okay? And my strategy leading up to NIO Day will be buying now, maybe buying some shares tomorrow, okay? Now, this is not legal advice or financial advice, okay? Because don't sue me, bro. Don't sue me, okay? I'm just telling you what I'm doing. And if you want to know what I'm doing specifically, check out the trade alerts. Link in the comments. It's the pinned comments, okay? So with that being said, right, guys, what was I saying? Yeah, so tomorrow, what I'm going to do, or maybe this week, what I'm going to do is I'm going to pick up some NIO shares, okay? And I'm going to hold them until the morning of NIO Day, okay? And I'm not going to hold them past the press conference because I'm worried that there might be a buy the rumor, sell the news type of thing, right? Although, however, it's important to point out that the buy the rumor, sell the news, you get a kind of a bounce on buy the rumor, sell the news, right? So I might even take a trade there where the news comes out and the news is never good enough for people, okay? That's just the truth. If NIO came out tomorrow and they said, guys, we have not just the electric car, but we have a flying electric car, everyone will be like, whoa, sell. And it's like, dude, people are never pleased enough, okay, with their expectations on what these things are. So we always get that dip after NIO Day, right? Which is expected considering there's a lot of build-up and hype leading up to NIO Day every single year. So that dip is kind of somewhat expected, but we get the dip, and then I would also suggest maybe buying that dip, right? Because then we do get a bounce, right? We do get a bounce kind of, at least we did last year, where people realized, dude, these plans are kind of legit. Like, damn, maybe we weren't listening during the NIO Day conference, right? So that's why NIO Day is going to be absolutely massive, and I'm going to probably open a position on NIO in the upcoming days. Now, one more thing that's important to also consider regarding NIO Day is what is the market doing, okay? What is the state of the market on NIO Day? Is it a green market or leading up to NIO Day, the week leading up to NIO Day? Or are there more fears of interest rates going up? And the Feds came out, Jerome Powell came out and said some hawkish stuff. For those who don't know what hawkish means, this means that this implies that he's going to raise the interest rates, okay? And interest rates are not good for the stock market. I've mentioned it previously why, but I'm going to mention it one more time for the investors that don't know why. Basically, guys, interest rates, what they do is that they bring up, I hate keep explaining it over and over again, but I know I get a lot of new viewers, unique new viewers every time, so I'm going to explain it again, okay? So basically how interest rates hurt the market is that interest rates hurt the economy, okay? And the economy and the stock market somewhat go hand in hand. Now, how do raising interest rates hurt the market, Money Talk, or hurt the economy, Money Talk? Well, when interest rates get raised, guys, the cost of borrowing money goes up, okay? And we are, well, not we because I'm in Canada, but you guys are very, very over leveraged, okay? The United States is all based on leverage, okay? I mean, when you look at the world debt clock or whatever, I mean, that shit is just going crazy, okay? You guys are in a lot of debt. And when the cost of borrowing debt goes up, that means people's mortgages go up, people's credit cards go up, everything goes up, okay? Because the bank isn't going to go like, oh, well, I guess we'll just lose some money here. No, the bank is going to take the raised interest rates, and they're just going to double down on the investors, okay? Or on the consumers rather. So the price of everything goes up. And when people can't afford their mortgage, people spend less. And when people spend less, the economy doesn't do well. And when people spend less, they don't go buy stocks. I can't tell you, yo, bro, go check out NEO stock. And you're like, dude, how about my mortgage? I'm trying to live, I'm trying to live somewhere. And I don't know if the stock market is the best place to be living. Whole lot of blood every day. Definitely 18 plus. Definitely not PG rated environment, the stock market. Okay, so anyways, that's my 2 cents on upcoming NEO Day. So it's important to also consider the state of the market. Okay, the state of the market is very, very crucial on how much of an increase we get leading up to NEO Day and on NEO Day specifically. So with that being said, guys, I want to hear from you guys. I want to hear your trading strategies, and I will get back to you guys in the comment section. I will reply to you. And if you guys have a more interesting trading strategy, and don't just say hold, long-term hold, even though that is a strategy, that is a boring one and I don't even want to hear it. I'm joking, I do want to hear it. Still, let me know down below. I will respond to it with a funny comment or something. I don't know what I will respond to it. Okay, with that being said, guys, thank you for watching. Make sure you guys check out the trailer program. Like I said, 25 spots, a whole lot of spots gone, and the discounted version ends this month. Okay, end of this month, it's gone, gonzo, bye bye. So with that being said, thank you for watching, guys. Money Talk.